Hi, how are you doing? This is Ramesh and welcome to AnsFind. Have you seen an error on your Windows Office that you can't make this change because of the selection is locked? That means your Windows Office unlicensed product. That's why it's showing. So don't worry, you are here to activate your product for free. Friends, if you are using Windows Office 2019 or 2013 or 2016, then this is the video for you. So let me show you how we can fix this error. Before jumping to the tutorial, I request you to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Okay, let's jump to the tutorial. As a first step, you need to open any browser and copy the URL from the video description and copy in the URL section and press enter. So once you enter the URL, you will find a ansfind.com which is showing you need to log into the website. So let me log in first. Yes, once you have signed in, you will find the download button. Click on that. It is around 2 KB only. Just download. Yes, I have successfully downloaded it. Let me open the folder. So here it is. You need to extract it. Right click on that and select extract. So if you have installed any extractor, you can easily extract here. I have installed with 7-zip, so I will use this to extract. Now you'll find we have extracted the file. Let me open it. Here you will get two text files for Windows Office 2019 and Windows Office 2016. So in my case, I have installed with Windows Office 2019. So let me open that. So this is the command prompt code. So go to the file and select save as, and you can select any folder. In my case, I will select desktop to save this. After 2019, so remove the .txt and select and type .cmd. Then save as type, select all files and save. Now close this notepad, close this window all. Here you can find we have saved the cmd file. Right click on that and select run as administrator. Be patient, this software will allow to activate your Windows Office automatically. Just wait for that. Yes, you can see here the product activation is successful on my system. So once you have done, it's asking you to yes or no to visit the blog. So in my case, no. So I will put the N. So it will end. So now open the Word or any Windows Office software. So let me open a Word. Friends, as you can see, now you can use any Windows Office on your system. That's it friends. This is how we can easily fix, that is, you can't make this change because of the selection is locked, by licensing your Windows Office. Hope this video helps you. If you like this video, please consider subscribing to our channel and hit the bell icon. Don't forget to visit ansfind.com.